All right. What's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be giving you guys an update on Rose slash USDT. Now, this was a viewer request from the comment section. So please, if you have a crypto token or a crypto coin you guys want me to analyze and chart up for you, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'll be happy to do that for you, okay? We're looking at the daily chart right now. And if you look, we'll go ahead and zoom in now, okay? The main thing I want to show you guys is this green trend line right here, okay? Yes, sand has gone up, or I'm sorry, Rose has gone up massively and dropped down and then come up and then drop down hard. And, recently it went from 60 cents all the way down to 30 cents, okay? So a 50% drop. Yeah, this is holding up though a lot better than maybe some other crypto projects that were related to more meme things, or maybe some metaverse related things. Rose, Oasis Labs, they are a really good company and really good protocol. I got a video in the top right hand corner, okay, if you want to get a little bit more in depth on them. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the chart. I just wanted to show you guys that daily chart trend line. Okay, so even though it runs up hard and pulls back hard, we're respecting this trend line and finding support along it. And as long as we don't break this trend line, overall it's going to be going up. Okay, so just don't be afraid to take profits when things are running, and when things are coming back down. Just wait for it to get close to that trend line, and if you want to add a position. Okay, now it's not financial advice. Just trying to give you guys some advice. All right, some tips basically. Okay, not financial advice, but just some of the ways to navigate the crypto space. All right, now we really hit these targets pretty nicely here on Rose. If we look at the fibs, all right, what I like to do for the fibs is either do like a long-term perspective of where to get some like long-term buy zones, or for trades, I like to play the break above here, and then take profit at the blue lines and the purple lines, and up here along it, higher than that. All right. And I'll actually show you guys how I did this, and how I got to the fibs, how I got these how I got this drawn up basically. Okay. We'll go ahead and click on the Fibonacci extension tool. Okay. And what I like to do on the 4-hour chart, or sometimes the 1-hour chart, is I like to take one of these real wicky candles. Okay, this is a very nice indecision candlestick, and it's green. It's giving some signs that okay, we could reverse into an uptrend, right? So what I'll do is I'll take my swing high and my swing low for the wicks of that particular candle, right? And the fibs are just like a mathematical equation, and it's basically going to tell you like where the price is going to run to. Now, cryptos, whether you believe it or not, 70% of trading in the stock market, and most likely in the crypto market, is done by algorithms, right? Like a lot of the large capital, millions and billions of dollars, is a lot of times done by algorithms, right? Codes, programs, right? And if you notice, each one of these targets hit like really perfectly. Okay. We hit the blue line, the 1.618, then we hit the 2.618 right here perfectly. Okay. And then, we come back down, we find some support, and we come up, and, we even topped out all the way up here at the 4.236 level. So, really good rally. And basically the way you would do this is, you would play the breakout first of the gray line here. And so once you have confirmation of gray, along the gray line, you can ride the momentum up to, the 1.618, the blue line, take some profit there, or hold your position, right? And see if we go higher up to the next level, take some profit there. And, it pulls back, right? And then eventually you see that we hit the final target all the way at the top. So, really important to, when it comes to trading, to, have kind of like a game plan, have a mindset of what you want to do, right? I feel like, it's really easy to, say, oh, yeah, well, yeah, if you would have bought here at 28 cents and sold at the top here at this line here, on the fibs, I mean, you'd be up tons right now, right? I'm not trying to do that, but basically, you can come in here yourself and you can do that, and then you can wait and be like, okay, well, we're trading below this level right now, the gray level. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit more for you guys, just so it'll be a little bit easier. Okay. But yeah, so you can start paying attention to it here. I'll be like, okay, well, we got rejected at those levels, we came back down, it looks like we found some support. Okay. And here we have the breakthrough from there. So you can enter here, ride the momentum up, as I said, up to the blue line. You can take some profits. Okay. You notice it went a little bit higher. And then it did end up pulling back. All right. And we pulled back below the gray line, and boom, again, now we're back in the position. Okay. Cause we're above it. We take some profit at the blue, we pull back. You can get back in if you want to ride this momentum up. We pull on back, and now we're back below this gray line, and you just look for an entries like that, guys. Okay. And you just keep doing that, and things can be pretty good. Okay. Once you get your own little bit of a trading style, and figure out, okay, are you long-term trader, short-term trader, things like that. I'd say the only really thing we probably need to worry about is going to be right here, this head and shoulders. All right, now it's not formed yet. Okay, there's still time for it to form, so that it's not confirmed that we have this bearish head and shoulders pattern, but this is just something that we would need to be aware of, and just watch out for. Okay, basically, we already have a head, we already have a left shoulder, we're finding some support right here. If we rally some more, okay, and we get rejected 35 to 30 at like 35 to 37, or 36 to 37, and we fall back down and we break this this neckline right around here, right around this area between let's see what this is, 354 and 352, 3452. Then we could come all the way back down to 0.30 on Rose. All right. So I definitely like Rose a lot. Do your own research, of course, with any investments. And thank you guys for watching this video. Okay. I appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.